It's a certified 2018 Dodge Journey. This burly mid-size crossover offers a gratifying interior, a potent engine, and impressive fuel economy. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, fold-into floor seat, AM/FM stereo radio, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. This from the truth about cars. For those seeking something smaller or who simply refuse to buy a minivan, Dodge offers the Journey crossover. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.